All right, so in this live training video for the social media content agency, this is inside the separate training for the buyer's persona template, where you're going to do this on the onboarding call. So I'm just going to run through the template really fast because this is how you're going to help identify who the target audience is for your client that you're onboarding, and make sure that you're getting the right people. So you can build a couple of different personas here. I just put an example for three different options for you to fill in, because sometimes you have different buyer personas for different clients, and how their business operates and who they target. So anyways, first thing you'll fill out, and this is, you'll ask them these questions. If you can get them to answer these questions ahead of time, it just makes the onboarding call go faster. So if you put it in a Google Doc or something like that, or Google Form, get them to answer it. This will help make this go smooth, and that way you just kind of cover everything on the back end of the onboarding call. So here's what you need: background and demographics of the ideal customer that they'll be serving. Okay, so insert the normal prototypical information. What's their gender, what's their age, where do they live, what's their income level, what's job titles they commonly hold, like are they dual household income, typically like teachers or firemen. You get the drill, right? The normal stuff on background and demographics. And then you want to dive in a little bit deeper. Okay, identifiers. What are the preferred forms of communication? Do these people hang out on social media a lot? Do they read emails a lot? Are they on blogs? Are they on apps? Where are they spending their time? Okay. Goals. What's the goal of the buyer persona related to the industry they're in? So like, we're working with home service contractors. That's what we do. So like, an example goal of that person would be is like to get our roof leak fixed. That's the goal, right? So they can get back to living their life without having to worry about their walls being destroyed by a leaky roof. That's an example. Challenges, where the roadblocks get in the way. It could be financially they can't afford it, or the time they work all the time, they'll have time to wait for somebody to come in and take a day off to do a tech repair or whatever, all those types of things. Common objections: why would somebody not buy their product and service? Like, so this is where you go, hey, why do people not choose to do business with you? That's what the question you ask, and it's the question they have to be able to answer. That client has to be able to answer. So you put all that in there. That gives you a good buyer's persona that you can speak to when you're creating your content. So I hope an explanation of this really helps. Once again, this just makes you look professional. I mean, you should be doing it anyway to create good content, but this is going to really make you look professional with them, and it's just going to make the money and the investment for them feel better about what they're doing.